In today's video, I will be discussing email management. Email notifications is a functionality that allows you to notify your customers about successfully refreshed queries, reports, and provide them with the result of these updates as an attachment in Google Sheets, two kinds of PDF files, Excel, or a CSV file. I'll be showing you how to, for example, share this balance sheet with your customers through an automated process. First, go to Extensions, find GeoConfig 0, find Automation, and select Create Workflow. In order for this to be successful, you also must be logged into your Xero account. Then, go ahead and set up your name and description. Then add your template by dragging and dropping the correct template to the right box. Then adjust your frequency and select a time. Then in the Email tab is where you'll be setting up your client's email. For the sake of this video, I will put the client's email as my own personal email. Then go ahead and complete filling out the email subject and email message. Then you can go ahead and select which way you want your client to receive this email. You have the options of a spreadsheets link, XLSX file, CSV file, PDF file landscape, or PDF file portrait. For me, I will go ahead and select PDF file landscape and then apply and execute. To see the results of our execution, I will go back to Extensions, back to GeoConfig 0, find Automation, and this time I will select Update, Modify, Delete Template. Workflow. Then I will go ahead and run this workflow. And since we acted as our own client, I can go to my own personal inbox and see the email notification with the correct attachment. So as you can see, I received an email notification with the correct PDF attachment. And then you'll be able to see the results. So this is the balance sheet. And this concludes the email customer notification video.